These are the fully licensed and trademarked CO2 powered Colt 1911 series of airsoft pistols from Cybergun. The Colt 1911 series of CO2 powered airsoft pistols feature a full metal frame and slide, as well as reinforced internals to allow the use of CO2 powered magazines. And it's currently available in 3 different colorways. The 2 government series come in 2 different colors, an all black and a dual stainless with a brushed finish on the slide. Those feature a skeletonized trigger as well as an ambidextrous set of safeties and a skeletonized hammer. And the final version is the M45A1 based on the real M45A1 CQBP or CQB pistol. And this iteration is the current standard issue for Marine Force Recon. Something unique about the M45A1 in real life is that a specific number of actual production models are pulled off of the production line and sold to civilians as opposed to being relegated to standard issue for Force Recon, and those are sold to civilians. So it's a really cool way to get a military standard issue pistol legally as a civilian. Really cool concept that they've done, and if you want a counterpart for airsoft, or if you like the look, going with the M45A1 from Colt in the airsoft variant that's CO2 powered is a great way to do that. All 3 variants of the Colt 1911 series of CO2-powered gas blowback pistols feature the Picatinny rail system to mount lasers and lights, and all 3 can be found right here on our website at Evike.com.